Hello artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we are drawing the Mayflower ship. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're gonna draw the Mayflower ship, which was the ship that the first pilgrims come into America, and we're gonna keep this as simple as possible. So the first thing we're gonna do is to draw the bottom of the ship. So for that I want to start with a line on the left side, and I'm just gonna go down, and then we're gonna go to the right a little, and on the top we're gonna go to the right as well, but we're gonna go a little longer. So we're gonna just trace this line kind of like double size. Okay, now I want to go down before I get to this line, and I'm gonna go right again. I want to extend this one a little bit, and now we're gonna do a big curve that is gonna go to the other side. So it's gonna go like this. We're gonna curve a little bit down, and we're gonna go up, and we're gonna stop right there. Okay, now let's go to the bottom part, and we're gonna start with a curve. So here I'm gonna leave a space in between this line, and I'm gonna go down, and I want to stop right there because I want to put the waves of the water. And I want to start making wavy lines that go from side to side, just like that. And if, for example, here it doesn't touch this part, that's okay. We're gonna just join it here to the water. Next, this ship had a really long piece on the front, so we're just gonna continue with these two lines that we leave here, and we're gonna go diagonal line up, and the same thing with this one, and we're gonna close here on at the end. Now we're gonna continue with the top part, and the first thing we're gonna do is the first sail, and we're gonna do here a curve that goes around and connects here with the ship. Now we're gonna do two curved lines that go up. The first one is gonna be on the right side. We're gonna go up curving, and the second one is gonna be a little longer than this one. Okay, so we're gonna curve and go up. So this one went out a little bit more than this one. Now let's close these two, and if you notice, because this one is higher than this one, we're gonna close in that diagonal line, and I want to do this line double, just like that. And we're gonna repeat the same steps we did here on top, but this time it's gonna be way smaller. So we're gonna start with the curve. Now we're gonna do the right curve, it's gonna go up, and the left curve is gonna go up a little higher. So that way we can close them with a diagonal line. And this diagonal line is gonna be double, kind of like a really long rectangle shape. And now I want to join these two with a mastile, or like a pole that is gonna go down. So we're gonna start on the top. I'm gonna start with a line. Imagine this line goes in behind, keep going here, in behind. Now let's do the other part. So we're gonna close here like a rectangle shape, and I want to do the same thing. I want to imagine my line goes in behind these sails. There, so we have the first part. Now let's do one more of these ones here, but this one is gonna overlap, so we're gonna go in behind. So I'm gonna go up a little, and I want to do my curve, and I want to connect with this corner. Now because this one is in behind, I cannot see it, so I'm just gonna do the one that goes on the left side, and it's gonna pass this one. So I'm gonna go curve, and I pass the second one. Okay, leave a space here. Now let's do our diagonal line that is gonna connect with this little sail here, and we are gonna do the same thing. We're gonna connect and do double line. Let's do one more like this up here, and I want to start doing a curve. 1, 2, diagonal line. We're gonna do one more on the top, And I'm copying this exact same idea here. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna do this double. Just like that. Now, if you want, in this top one, we can do like a little flag that is sticking there. This is optional. So I'm just gonna go out, curve, and come back. And then you can do a design if you want here. And for the last cell we're gonna do, we're gonna kind of like do this idea, but it's gonna be a triangle shape. So it's gonna start with a curve. Now I'm gonna do the left side, curve. And this side is gonna come down diagonal. It's not gonna go sideways. So it's gonna look like this. I'm gonna go just down here. And we're gonna draw here a rectangle shape for the pole that is holding, or the mast is holding. And to finish it up, we can just put some details here. We're gonna put a double line here and a double line here. Okay, and if you want, you can put some more texture with lines on the ship, but I'm gonna leave mine just simple like this, just to keep this lesson really easy. So there, that's it. We finished this Mayflower ship, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors. Just use 2 tones of brown, and then here I add some blue for the water. You guys can add way more details to your picture. And at the end, I decide to put here the flag of England, but you can leave it as it is, or you can then skip that part with the flag. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.